Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Important years related cooperative movement national level second part ആണ്. First question. In 1942, Multi-Union Cooperative Societies Act was passed. 1942, Multi-Union Cooperative Societies Act was passed. In 1945, Saraya Committee, Cooperative Planning Committee, Saraya Committee appointed. In 1945, Saraya Committee appointed. 1946, Cooperative Planning Committee report submitted. 1946, Cooperative Planning Committee report submitted. 1946, starting Amul in Kaira district in Gujarat. In 1946, starting of Amul in Kaira district in Gujarat. 1947, Indian Independence Act. In 1947, Indian Independence Act. 1949, Banking Regulation Act was passed. 1949, Banking Regulation Act was passed. 1949, RBI was nationalized. In 1949, RBI was nationalized. 1950, India became a republic. 1950, India became a republic. 1951, All India Rural Credit Survey Committee was appointed. 1951, All India Rural Credit Survey Committee was appointed. 1951, First 5-year plan started. 1951, First 5-year plan started. First Indian Cooperative Congress was inaugurated by Nehru. First Indian Cooperative Congress was inaugurated by Nehru in 1951. 1952, Community Development Program began. In 1952, Community Development Program began. 1952, Cooperative Training College started at Pune. 1952, Cooperative Training College started at Pune. In 1952, All India Handloom Development Board was established. 1952, All India Handloom Development Board was established. In 1953, Central Committee for Cooperative Training established jointly by RBI and Indian government. In 1953, Central Committee for Cooperative Training established jointly by RBI and India government. 1954, All India Rural Credit Survey Committee report came out. Gorwala Committee report. 1954, All India Rural Credit Survey Committee report came out. Gorwala Committee. 1954, Coir Board started. In 1954, Coir Board started. 1955, State Bank of India came into being. 1955, State Bank of India came into being. National Cooperative Development and Warehousing Board was established. 1955, National Cooperative Development and Warehouse Board was established. 1956, NCCE started. 1956, National Center for Cooperative Education started in 1956. 1958, NDC resolution. 1958, NDC resolution, National Development Council. NDC, National Development Council. 1958, NAFED organized. In 1958, NAFED organized. 1958, as per NDC resolution, service cooperative societies started in India. In 1958, as per NDC resolution, service cooperative society started in India. As per NDC resolution, Service Cooperative Society started in India in 1958. 1959, Committee on Cooperative Credit appointed Vaikunda Mehta Committee report. In 1959, Committee on Cooperative Credit appointed Vaikunda Mehta Committee report. 1960, Committee on Cooperative Credit report submitted. 1960, Committee on Cooperative Credit report submitted. 1960, National Federation of Cooperative Sugar Factories started. In 1960, National Federation of Cooperative Sugar Factories started. 1962, in 1962, centrally sponsored scheme for consumer sector. In 1962, centrally sponsored scheme for consumer sector. Thanks for watching.